So on camera here is a finished magic ring, and the center of it is permanently attached. It will never come out. It will not open up anymore. So let's take our time, and here's the yarn strand, and I want you to lay down your hand and lay down 2 fingers like this and pull the yarn in front like this. And I'll wait a second. So this is what it will look like for you. So make sure you give yourself a little bit of an extra long tail because we're gonna have to secure that in with the tapestry needle. Okay, so just put me on hold if you need to do it. So now what you want to do is just kind of use your other finger, your thumb here, and just pinch and rotate your hand over, and then grab the yarn that is leading to the yarn ball around and cross over 1 time like this. And what I like to do is just sandwich it in between a finger so I can see it. So it looks like it's crossed over top of your hand like this. It's in the front, 2 fingers, rotate your hand over and take the yarn strand leading to the ball and just rotate it up and over and cross it over, and then just use another finger so that it stays crossed. Just hold there if you need to hold. Now you're gonna take your hook and you're going to go up underneath the first one. So up underneath the first one and grab the second one and pull through. Noticing that I'm not letting go of anything in this hand. And all I want to do is just with my other hand, this one here, is this I want to slide it up and I want to pinch so that these 2 strands are together like so. And to lock this ring you just need to chain 1. So when you crochet you want to crochet up over these 2 strands because that's what's gonna pull it shut. Do 6 single crochets in the magic ring. So all you're just gonna do is inside the magic ring, just start inside the ring and just count 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little fiddly at first once you get used to this, and 6. So before I pull it shut I want to count and verify there's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that it's shut, this yarn strand right here leading to the end of the ball, just pull it and that will pull the ring completely shut. Now in the case of the llama or anything else I want to pull up a loop on the here and get rid of that. And I want to turn this over and I want to secure the ending here with the tapestry needle. And all I'm just going to do with the tapestry needle, you have to do this because if you do not it will burst open. So I see people complaining online that they don't do that or they don't know to do that and then it bursts open and etc. So I've got it now into a tapestry needle and I just want to weave it through the back side of this. So just go 1 and the first time pull tight and then go back in the other direction. You want it nice and tight. It's 2 and then 1 more in the other direction for 3. Just like that. So now that it's in I can just trim it and then I can put this back onto the hook and begin.